partner is guaranteed that he shall get a certain amount of profit out of the profit of the firm. So such guarantee can be provided individually or altogether in a particular ratio. So the first point is any one of the partner, or the second point is by all of the other partner in a particular ratio. When the profit of the firm are not adequate, then the access is paid to the guaranteed partner and should be charged to the partner who has given the guarantee. So let's look at these situations individually. So the first one is guarantee to a partner by a partner individually. So in this example, you can see in this firm, there is P and Q, and they are the partners of the firm, and they have shared the profit 2:1 ratio. So they decide to admit R with 1/4 of share of the profit and with a guarantee amount of rupees 25,000. So P undertook to meet the liability arising out of the guarantee amount of R. Then the profit sharing ratio between the new partnership is P to Q to R is 2:1. So the profit the firm has earned during the period of 31st March 2001 is 76,000. So let's see how we are going to distribute among them. So here there is 76,000. So P will earn half of the profit, that is 2/4 of the profit, and Q is allowed to earn part of the profit, that is 19,000, and R is allowed to earn 19,000 as well. But you have to remember, in the earlier stage, I have mentioned you that R is coming to the business with the guaranteed profit of 25,000, and P has taken responsibility to meet that liability. So how we are going to account it? So here our shares of profit is 19,000, but it is lesser than the guaranteed amount by 6,000. So the P has to make the deficiency. So how the P will make? So normally P will allow 38,000 as the profit, but he has to give 6,000 to R to fulfill his profit share of 25,000. So from the 38,000, we are going to deduct 6,000, and P is only allowed to earn 32,000. So Q's share is not changing. It is 19,000. But here, for the R's profit, we are going to add this 6,000 getting from the P. So R will finally earn 25,000. So the new profit would be 32,000, 19,000, and 25,000. So let's move back to the next scenario. So in the next scenario, the guaranteed to one partner made by others of the firm in a particular ratio. So in this example, you can see the A and B are partners, and they decide to admit C to the partnership of the firm, and the profit sharing ratio in the new partnership was 3:2:1. So with the guarantees amount of 5,000 to C. For the year ended 2001, the business earned a profit of 24,000. So here we are going to distribute this 24,000 among A, B, and C according to 3:2:1 ratio. So when they have decided to distribute it according to 3:2:1, the profit is 12,000, 8,000, and 4,000. So C will get a profit of 4,000, and this is less than 1,000 because he have already promised to give 5,000 of the profit. Then this 5,000 has to distribute among A and B. So A will give 5/3 of the profit, and B will give 2/5 of the profit. So that from the A, we have to deduct 600, and B, we have to deduct 400. So the A's new profit would be 12,000 earlier profit, deduct 600. So his will have a profit of 11,400. Now what will be the scenario for B? From the B's profit of 8,000, we are going to deduct 400 for C. Then the new profit would be rupees 7,600. Then for the C, we are getting the original profit of 4,000 and profit from A and B, 6,000 and 4,000 will be added back together and he will get the guaranteed profit of 5,000.